Good morning, outdoor enthusiasts. I am here at Letchworth State Park in New York. In this video, I will be walking through Loop 400 and showing each and every campsite. If you want to see some of the other loops, just take a look. I do have those available as well. But let's go ahead and get started showing Loop 400 right now. This is 400 loop here at Letchworth State Park in New York. This loop is no pets. Coming straight in, we have the dumpster to the left. A lot of nice trees in this loop so far. And first one on the right here is 401. Nice site. There's no one on one side of them there. To the left, we got 402. The fire ring is really close to the road there. And the driveway is pretty short. 403 back here on the right. Very short driveway too, especially with that picnic table in the way. Let's turn around. You got your water right there. 404 is right here on the left. Let's turn around. Do 405 right here on the right. And that's right across from the bathhouse here. This loop does not have the updated bathhouse. Loops 1 and 2 have updated bathhouses. 407 right here on the right. 406 here on the left with the Airstream. 409 back here on the right with the van. And then we have 411 right through the trees there. And 408 here on the left, also close to water. I'm going to turn around and get another perspective of 408 here. It's a pretty decent driveway. And 411, pretty long driveway as well. Another perspective. We got 413 right here on the right with the hybrid. And let's come across the street here and do 410 right there. Back across the street, we got 415 and 417 right next to it. And it's right across the street from water. I feel like this loop has more water spigots than loops 1 and 2. Here on the left, we have 412 and 419 here on the right. Let me turn around and get one more perspective of 412 for you guys. .414 is coming up right here on the left. The driveway's really rough on this one. Wouldn't want to be here after a rain. Let's come across the street. 421 with the Airstream back there. .416 here on the left. .423 there on the right. Coming up on the left, we have .418. Right will be .425. Let's look at .418 first. Ooh, .418 is right there with in the back of the bathhouse. Long driveway, but I would not like that. And then you got the power station back there too. .418 is a no for me. Coming across the street here, we got .425. There's water right there. .427 coming up on the right. .420 on the left. Let's look at .427. It's at a bit of an incline. Not too bad, but definitely a bit of an incline for .427. And then .420, a better look at that. Also right in front of that bathhouse, or on the back side of that bathhouse. Then we have .429. Good morning. .429. Ooh, that's also at an incline. Kind of climbs up a little bit. Same thing with .431 there on the right. It kind of climbs up a little bit. .422 right there in front of that bathhouse. Hopefully the sun isn't blocking what you can see. Then hi there. Hi there. I'm just filming these campsites. Do y'all mind? Okay. Thank you.
We do that too.
I love it. All right. There's .424.
Where you want to go next time you come back.
Exactly. Do y'all have a YouTube?
No.
No? Okay, well, y'all should do that. You know? You should.
Yeah, I've heard that.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. There's water right there. And then there's .433 right there. .435. It's kind of private, but this does go up a little bit. It's got a bit of an incline. Then we have .426, which is the last one here. Kind of sits in this corner. It is very uneven. I don't know if it shows on camera, but it slants this way. And there's absolutely no gravel left on this driveway. Not for me, but maybe you'll like it. 426. All right, that wraps that up. And if you want to see the other loops, look for those other videos. I do have videos showing all the loops and all the campsites in those loops. Y'all have a good day.